Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EXPU. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Here we are looking at the chart, had some questions and so forth come in on it, and it's a very straightforward chart, one that shouldn't take too much time, but nonetheless one that has made a nice little move here, so I want to get it updated, and that way everybody has an idea of what's going on from the charting perspective. So the first thing to talk about is just the key level of support that has not only held but has now gone into kind of trampoline mode, and that is this yellow line here. This is the 200-day simple moving average, and if you're familiar with charts, you know there's kind of two Mac Daddy moving averages, as I call them, and that's the 50-day and 200-day, and these are the levels that when the price is above it you want to see hold. And sure enough, you can see 2 days price came right down here and bounced right off this 0008 level, which is that key level of support that you want to see hold. And more recently, when I said acting as a trampoline, you can see yesterday price came down here, hit it, and is now bounced as high as 0.0014. So a nice little bounce, especially when you look at the percentages here. Now the question really is it going to be able to continue to move upwards? Today you can see volume increased, although it wasn't gigantic like these days. It was the biggest it's seen in a while, so now the question really becomes, is the momentum and is this volume going to continue to increase? With an increase in volume, public enemy number one on the chart right now is right up here where the high of today was at 0014. This is definitely a key level of resistance. Going to make that line a little thicker because it is very important. If you look back here, you can see 3 days in a row price tried to get above it, couldn't quite do it, and then today price tried again. So there's definitely some selling up here, but good news with that is the harder resistance is to get through. If the price can get through it, usually the stronger the run. So with a break of 0014, the next level of resistance really isn't up until this previous high up here at 0018. And when we're talking about these 00 stocks, the percentages add up very quickly. So that's something to keep in mind. Don't look at it as, well, that's only from 14 to 18. That's not much. When it's got 2 zeros in front of it, those percentages add up that much faster. So these are going to be the two levels of resistance. But 0014 is definitely the key level right now that the bulls do need to battle and get through. Going forward in terms of supports, you do have the 50-day simple moving average down here as a support. That's at 0011. And then, like we talked about, 0008 is going to be the must-hold level, meaning, no excuses for this level. This one's got to continue to hold like it's been doing a great job of. So if there are any other questions, though, on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out our newsletter up there. When you do that and sign up, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and making an investment into your trading education, I'd encourage you to check out our video course down there. Over 8.5 hours of teaching and education. It's been getting good third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was EXPU. Thanks for listening.